Ever since I was young, I've always had an obsession with anything with wheels, and if it had an engine, that was just a bonus. And by 6 years old, I got my first motorbike and would ride it around the garden pretty much all day. And of course that led to me buying more motorbikes and doing cafe racer builds or supermotos, pretty much whatever I could get my hands on at the time or could afford. This was perfect for the workshop size I had, but then around 15, 16, this is when I really had my passion for cars. I started off buying old bangers from mechanics that had failed their MOT and then fixing them up to sell them for a profit. And then later down the line, when I passed my driving test, I was able to afford nicer cars and start to modify them, which is what I really wanted to do. But my end goal is to be able to be rebuilding cars and fixing them up full time, being able to do what I love every single day. That is quite simply the big picture for me. However, my biggest issue being the UK weather. If you live here, I'm sure you know how it is, with half the year being in hibernation, which is why I've taken it upon myself to build my own workshop, in 12 minutes, more or less.
All my life I was looking for a sign, wasn't sure where to find a peace of mind. Sometimes you can see things when it ain't time. Well, for you I'll be putting it all aside. When I look at you, it seems so damn easy to love. Was alone, now I'm feeling so alive. Don't need to control a thing since you came into my life. I can climb a mountain, get so high. Don't need to control a thing. Feeling so alive. When I look at you, it seems I can get so high. Get so high, get so high. What you give to me is so incredible. It's in me, I'm my own creditor. And the world is full with predators. But you show me the good and I'm getting there. When I look at you, it seems so damn easy to love. Was alone, now I'm feeling so alive. Don't need to control a thing since you came into my life. I can climb a mountain, get so high. Don't need to control a thing. Feeling so alive.
that brings us to part 3 of my dream workshop build. This has been an amazing journey. I've never done anything like this before. It was a real challenge, but enjoyed every single part of it and spent so much money, but it's always been worth it. This is all I've ever wanted, really, is my own big workshop where I can fit cars, and I've done it. And this is the journey of many more projects. It's so exciting, and yeah, it's been amazing. I will be posting my next project soon. It is a classical German whip, which I'm going to be doing a lot of work to. It should be good fun, but documenting the whole of that as well. So yeah, subscribe if you want to. Should be pretty cool.